Okay, so let's move on to our fourth element that you should consider when you're writing your CV. All right. So let's just have a brief recap here. Okay. Just remember your experience section must be relevant, right? Put the most relevant job experience at the top that will target the kind of job that you are going for, right? That will attract the attention of that recruitment officer, right? Although that experience may be a few years ago, all right? Make sure it's right at the top, okay? Second element that you should consider is when you write your experience, don't forget it's not really relating to what duties that you had to really do, right? But you're kind of showcasing yourself, okay, in what you achieved, okay, within that experience, okay, and how did the company benefit, or how did people benefit, okay, and what did you actually do, how did you progress and develop. And obviously then the third element is relating to first impressions, such as make sure your CV doesn't have any typos whatsoever. We don't want any typos, right? Any grammatical errors, spelling, punctuation. Make sure your font style and size is consistent as well. We need your CV to be as eye-catching as possible, okay? But you don't want to be using too many different color schemes and too many fonts and too many different sizes, right? So be consistent as much as you can. Now, the fourth element I'd like to concentrate on here is remember when you are going for different jobs, you don't want to be using the same CV all the time, all right? So don't be lazy and just keep one CV for many different jobs. You really need to tailor, you need to alter, modify, and change that CV for every different job that you are going for. It may take a little bit of time, but it sure will be worth it, right? When you get some interest shown in what you have achieved and done, right? So make sure that your CVs are job specific, right? Don't just have one generic, one general CV that you give to so many different organizations or companies. You want to make sure that you read what that company wants, okay, what they are desiring from you, and then you want to make sure that you make your CV, okay, according to what they want, what they require. Okay, so don't be lazy by just keeping the same general CV, okay? You need to alter it, you need to change it, you need to tweak it a little bit here and there, right? So it's specific to their requirements and also what they are wanting. Awesome.
I dreamed I was made